guy.
I'm gonna go.
That's how we.
Coil.
Finally,
Twilight.
finally, 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 finally! We were waiting for hours, fucking hours.
Sky, that's fucking insane, actually. My second round
Yeah,
back from D&D. I don't have anything. I don't have the Chaos Coil, so I can't fucking do it. But
I was.
my second round back is fucking Twilight Moon. That's insane.
Where the fuck?
Yo, I was cooking it so you can get the freaking at least a bit. Get the.
Oh, it cost 200. Yeah, not able to.
I have 44.
Oh damn it!
That's
Has
perfect.
any
That's
more
completion.
moons happened since I was gone?
Flip.
Has there been a blood moon in this lobby?
They already have already.
No, not yet.
Course.
Ah,
Yeah.
Of
What are
course,
you
I'm just
missing?
here to help. Can't win.
I've only ever seen
What am I
Solstice
missing?
once, and it was a random occurrence.
Everything besides the Divine Avenger and the Coil. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's the only things I got. I actually didn't fuck this one up.
Alrighty. Alright. I'm gonna.
How do you survive the judgment attack during this? Because it killed me randomly one time. I didn't even see where it was coming from.
It's 50-50. It's 50-50. Give you judgment.
Oh, so it
and
hits
50-50
everywhere?
give
No.
There's no dodging it at all. Oh,
Just,
well, that's
just a
awful.
little bit. Only just around it. Yeah. I was cooking it. Every time he uses it, it's attack, so he can stay there, not moving. But I see like 4 or 5 people like, oh, let me see. He can kill me? Boom, he got killed.
The first time I did Twilight, I survived it, and I don't know how. When the second time I did it, I just died immediately. So
Why don't have medkits? This is not Blood Moon.
No, I'm gonna help.
No, that one.
He's trying to help too. Look at him. He's so cute. He's trying to help.
you're doing your best, buddy.
Alright, just doing your best.
I'll start it.
What's a cooldown on this thing? Is it shit? Literally never used it. Good luck.
What item do you get from Blood Moon? If there is, I don't know if there is.
The
A
red
red
medkit.
med kit.
Red medkit.
Wait, do you have? Who actually doesn't have the coil?
Yeah.
Is anybody trying to get it?
Not me.
Yeah.
I'm trying
I
to
know
get
someone else.
the
You're trying to get
Twilight
it?
Coil, but I'm probably never going to use it, so I don't really care if I die.
No,
I don't have
it's
it.
Twilight. It's Twilight.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right. Just run to me and I'll fucking sue myself for you. Don't worry.
I
You got
just
this.
don't fucking have that.
I'll throw my life away. If you need healing, fucking find me or the robot guy or the fuck you in. Yup. Can't win.
Also,
Is someone
Twilight
getting near
before, but I
the
didn't
freaking
realize that the
beast?
Chaos Coil gave you
That
something.
motherfucking giant
And I was so
apocalypse
mad.
bird?
That was, it was
There's
like it was like my
50-50 chance
win in as well.
and can kill one stomping it,
Oh, every
or
time, man.
can use judgment to all of us and be killed all of
Yo,
us.
start this shit, boy.
So yeah, don't
God
get near that
damn.
bird.
Good luck.
Time to clutch the fuck up,
Yep.
little bro. You got this. I believe in you. Can win.
Yes.
If you die with a rip, I'm disappointed.
Judgment bird, please.
insane.
Talking about.
How many?
Gonna save now.
How many?
I got hit directly
guy.
after I got sin. I was so like no.
Now you wait till another one happens and not
I just
die.
heard Apocalypse Bird.
Got a selection of
hey,
good
now I
things
have
on
it.
sale, stranger.
Wait, I don't even know what I got.
You got it?
Twilight
Nice.
Coil, which I'm never gonna use. Yay.
Wait, has another mystic?
I mean,
also
it's
true.
just
Also
emerald.
true.
It's just Emerald Speed.
Once we complete, well, it is often,
Go
but not that
Galley.
often. But once we complete it 4 moons, it goes more often. The Mystic Moon, Blood Moon, on Twilight.
Oh, so they
forth.
happen more often.
Welcome.
What's the difference to the
Yeah,
Twilight?
more often. Right now, it's rare, very rare. But once we get to complete,
Now
I
we
think it's
know how it
faster.
If I wanted to gamble, I'd
You
use
have to lock
teleporter.
them up.
to increase the chance.
need to win about that.
Does it break more? Or?
Blood Moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, break.
So the Chaos Coil breaks so
Okay, so we
quickly.
need a midnight.
Cam to get that, though?
But the speed of Emerald, though.
Huh? Midnight.
Yeah.
Yeah, midnight. Twilight goes faster, but breaks most of it. If you just got it,
I guess it depends how lucky you are. Oh yeah, we got one survivor.
congrats.
Yeah, you did it.